Adding and subtracting rational expressions also follows pretty closely to the rules that we had set up for adding and subtracting fractions. We can go ahead and do that as long as the expressions both have a common denominator. And we can see in example 11, we have 6x divided by 24x plus 12 plus 24 divided by 24x plus 12. Both of these expressions have the same denominator, 24x plus 12, meaning we can rewrite this expression by adding the numerators together. So the denominator remains unchanged. Then we take the numerator of the first expression and either add or subtract the numerator of the second expression to get 6x plus 24 divided by 24x plus 12. Then we look to see if this resulting expression can be reduced. In this case, we can factor a 6 out of the numerator, which will leave us with 6 times x plus 4. In the denominator, we can factor out a 12, which will leave us with 2x plus 1. 6 over 12 will reduce because 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 will leave us with 2. So our final result here will be x plus 4 over 2 times 2x plus 1. In example 12, we again have common denominators of x squared plus 10x plus 16. So to proceed, we can add the numerators together, which will be x squared minus 64, all over that original unchanged common denominator of x squared minus 10x plus 16. And from here, we'll factor and see what we can reduce. The numerator will factor as x minus 8 times x plus 8 using difference of squares. And the denominator will factor as x minus 8 times x minus 2. And we see that x minus 8 over x minus 8 will cancel, leaving us with x plus 8 as our only factor in the numerator and x minus 2 as our only factor in the denominator. Looking at one last example here, we still have common denominators between our two rational expressions. So to add these together, we'll take the numerator of the first expression, which is negative 4, minus x, which is the numerator of the second expression, all over that original common denominator. And you might already see what's going to happen in this case. But what we'll do is look at factoring a negative 1 out of our expression in the numerator to make that x term positive. That will make this 4 plus x. And in the denominator, we have x plus 4. If we need to take one additional step to see this cancellation, we can rearrange that addition in the numerator to rewrite this as negative 1 times x plus 4 divided by x plus 4. Now we have that common term in both the numerator and denominator, that common factor, leaving us with only negative 1. Again, we might have picked up on this pattern already because we can see once we subtracted those two expressions, once we combined them, we had a negative 4 in the numerator and a positive 4 in the denominator, minus x in the numerator and plus x in the denominator. So two nearly identical expressions, they were just opposites of each other. So those will always cancel out to be negative 1.